Just bought one of my dream cars. This is a 2010 Subaru WRX STI in dark gray, I guess. Bought this just over the weekend. I'm not going to go over everything about it, but we'll go over the quick highlights. It is a Georgia car, which means there is no rust underneath. Since I'm in Ohio, that is a weird change. There are a couple of rust spots, mostly rock chips, a couple fenders here. Sun fading on the hood from Georgia. Hood, some trim panels along here, and of course, the rear spoiler. I'm looking forward to getting that painted, as well as probably finding a new 11 to 14 bumper for it to kind of update the styling. Wheels are but we're gonna look for new grille and new front bumpers. Some other highlights, let's see. We were missing this piece, which is incredibly hard to find painted for some reason. And underneath the hood, let's go over some of the things. Seems to be a pretty stock motor. Aftermarket intake, I think it's a K&N. It's not in great condition, and I'm definitely missing brackets for it because I don't think that's right, and it's not held on by anything here. I think the turbo has been replaced at one point because it's kind of hard to see. You can see it looks in really good condition. This car has 85,000 miles on it or so. I don't have any wastegates with stickers on them from a factory, and it's missing the heat shield, which isn't great, but I have a box of moderate replacement goodies to add on that we're going to go over some of the install. And they had an amp wired up at some point. Wiring was very horrible, but we've ripped all that out, and that's the pile. Please don't mind the two dogs, Roxy and Tron. They just want to help. So we're gonna do this unboxing and get into some of it. Picked up these things from Rally Sport Direct. I don't know if there's a better place to go. I'm getting into Subarus. I've had German cars and American 4x4s. So, new spot. Key highlights of this. I kind of went with the Stage 1 Plus from Cobb. Tron wants to help. And then some things to replace it. So first off, Grim Speed heat shield. It looks in good condition, but I figure I need something to replace the factory one, and it's had good reviews at a good price. I got most of this on a Black Friday sale, so had an extra, not really part of the Stage 1 Plus kit. Bigger thing that is, oh, I don't want to forget those. Touch-up paint and an interior pin, or like plastic clip I was missing. Those were a bit of fun. Alright, bigger part of the Stage 1, Cobb access port. We're gonna go over how to install this later. Never done it before. I used JB tuners on a BMW, but I figure the Cobb's probably a little simpler. And also to replace the lovely, I think it was a K&N intake we had, is this new Perrin cold air intake. Decided to go with this one, mainly because the plans for the car, I'd like to get front mount intercooler at some point. And hey, new license plate frame. This will nicely replace my other one because it's from a dealership and it doesn't look so great. It's like good mounting hardware, some worm drive hose clamps. Yeah, went with this because I have plans to eventually get to a front mount intercooler, and I wanted something that would work with the kit, not have a big heat shield, so I believe this or the ETS is what I was looking at. The ETS was out of stock, so we went with this massive cone air filter from Perrin. Intake tube, looks like a better sensor mounting plate, and hose clamps. So we'll get over that install soon. around. Are you so pretty? You want to come here? Come here. Hi. Hi. Say hi, babies. Say hi, babies. All right, so here's where we are. I apologize for the last time the hard drive decided to take a crap on me, and I lost the footage for basically the rest of this install but I figured I'd just review the last steps of it. Because mine was not the original intake, I did not have the original hardware, which meant I had to reuse some rubber mounts and was lucky enough to find some screws here that fit. So that being said, it's pretty standard air intake install. Just clamp here, two worm clamps. Same thing on the air filter over here. MAF airflow sensor. These are kind of small screws. You just got to make sure they get seated and go in straight. Perrin provides this nice little bracket to zip tie to. So that's what my wiring goes through. And let's see if you can see it down here. This silver Z-shaped bracket, this is what I needed hardware and rubber bushings for. But basically it mounts this factory stud down here, and I had to pry something out from what was threaded in there, which looked like a rubber mount that just the rubber fell off of. So I'm pretty happy with this. We have this. But now that that's all done, let's get to the heat shield install.